Once more, let me welcome our visitors and my great Josite. You know, we are Josite. I'm a Josite and I'm a Malapert. He is a Josite. Are you a Malapert? Oh, he's just a Malapert. So we have, if it becomes very bad here, we can run to Jos. The Unica, to be at the forefront of protecting this system, making sure you are a serious stakeholder and projecting the university to the whole world. Because for me, if the records of Unica are so poor, I will begin to claim Unijos. I will never mention Unica again. If it's too bad in Unijos, I will claim Unica. But there are some who will not be able to do that. So I welcome my Joseph. I welcome each and every one of you. Welcome, sit down and enjoy this academic discourse. Thank you.
Another congregation. The National Congregation of Calabar and University. We will have the people to come outside with me, then we will come back.
There's